Let us look at the product page. The product page contains the gift description, the basket content, and information about delivery at the right-hand side of the page. For corporate clients who are looking to send gifts to their business associates, we have prepared a special feature, Excel bulk order form. The instructions and the form itself can be found below the information about the delivery. To the right of the picture you can see the gift price in USD as well as the estimated prices in other currencies. Are you ready to order? Scroll down and click the Buy Now button for express checkout. If you are interested in the special additional items or want to continue shopping, just add the gift to cart and keep browsing the website. You can check out at any time by hitting View Cart on the top of the page, and then continue to check out. If you have any questions along the way, contact our customer support 24 hours 7 days a week for assistance. Use one of two options on the top of the page, live chat or request a free call. Our representatives will be happy to accept your order over the phone or via the live chat. Alternatively, please send us your order information by email at info@giftbasketsoverseas.com. To find our international numbers, please go to Contact Us in 24/7 Customer Service tab.